you are a Laravel developer and still wasting time installing a WAMP or configure a PHP manually, so stop. Today I will show you a Laravel Herd the fastest and the simplest way to run Laravel with the multiple PHP version in a seconds. So by the end of the video, you will create a project, switch a PHP versions and run Laravel projects like a pro. So hey everyone, I'm Jinal Soni. In this video, I will walk you step by step though installing a Laravel Herd on a Windows, setting up a multiple PHP version, and creating your first Laravel projects. So let's get started. So what is the Laravel Herd and why developers love it? So mm, Laravel Herd is basically your personal Laravel development environment, and it's a super lightweight, work without admin access, and shipped with PHP Nginx and composers, and it supports a multiple PHP versions. So one click switch between PHP versions and built in well and macOS, and it's like installing a ready-made Laravel environment, and everything comes pre-configured. So let's check how you can download Laravel Herd, how you can install it, and how you can configure it for your Laravel project. So open your browser and go to herd.laravel.com, and after that you have seen that the download for the window. So here you can download for the window versions, and for Mac OS you can download here. So by clicking this you can download for the window and Mac OS. So I already downloaded it, so let's start the installation step. So and after that you have to open the Laravel Herd. So here it is. So what Herd does, so after opening the herds you will see the dashboard and installations, something like you can check where the herd is installed. By default I have already installed previously, so it's basically added the my previous path. You can edit also, or either you can edit new path from here for the Laravel projects. And here is the different project you have seen, and here you can check the different PHP versions. By clicking one you can install the PHP versions whatever you want. For the older one you can maybe use the 7.4, or the newer one you want to use the 8.4 or 8.3, whatever version you want to use for the different projects. As per your requirement you can install and use it. Here is the node version. Whatever node version you want to install it by clicking. And you can set your token, and many more. You can add the domain, you can buy the previous pro versions for the mail services or other services with the DOM and any others. But for the local environment, we don't need the pro, so we are going with the by default uh, versions. So here it is. So how you can create a new Laravel projects? So you can click the site and add the project. Here you can link an existing project, or either you can create a new project. So how you can create a new project by clicking a new Laravel project. Then next, whatever starter kit you need, you have to click it. So I clicking the Livewire starter kit. So by clicking here, it's asking for the project name. So it's our demo project. So we name it Laravel demo project. And here is the inbuilt authentication. You use other authentications as well, but now as of now we are going with the Laravel built-in authentications. Here is asking for the vault, so I click yes. So here's the testing framework. You can select as per your requirement. You can change the uh, locations. So here we can go with the Herd by default. So we can check as well. And so your project will be created in this folder, and you have to click the next. So it's take a little bit time, but yeah, it's configure all of the things that your Laravel project required. So I recommend use the Laravel Herd for the Windows, the best solutions for hassle-free. Use the PHP different versions and for all the configurations smoothly. And another thing I like is you can use separate MySQL versions. You can change the general informations as well by using this. So it's very useful. So yes, it's downloaded completely, and you can directly open it using the browsers. And here it is. So it is the full installed versions using the Herd. So here you can check all of the things. Here we are using a Livewire starter kit. Whatever starter kit or whatever configuration you can need, you can do it by yourself. Uh, we just add the default one credentials. So yes, you here you can check the dashboard versions. Here you can check all the settings things like this is the profile update sections, this is the password sections, this is two-factor auth sections, and here is the appearance sections. Here is the light mode, dark mode, and the system ones. So what is the benefit of the Laravel Herd? So it's no need to edit a path variables while you can changing the different PHP versions, and no need to uninstall the old versions and add the new versions for you. So Herd does it all the magic for you, and so you can add the different PHP versions or by clicking the PHP version, you will see all the PHP versions over here and you can see the 7.48 and you can click it by install button and here is all the installed one. What about the project configuration requirement you want to use? You can use by it. Here you can change the max file upload size. Like I want to change it to 10 and for the memory limit you can change as per your requirement. Mm, you can update Laravel installer as well. You can change the port as well and you can change all of the other things as here. You can add the new path here. You can run different how you can change the versions like here is using the Laravel 8.2 and I want to change it 8.4, so you can change 8 and run it like this. So here it is. So this is a very useful things for the project configurations. Like C drive, users, and hold and open this project. By default, I've set it the 8.2 for as of now. So it's now I did the PHP version 8.2. But if I want to change the PHP version and I want to check, then I just use the things like PHP underscore info. So yes, here you can check this project is using the version PHP 8.4.15, 15, or you want to change it to 8.3, then yes, definitely it's using the version 8.3.28. So here is the things I want to share with you. So you can create a project via command like the Laravel new project name, or using the composer create project Laravel slash Laravel project name, or you can switch the PHP versions like how PHP use this version, and you can check the PHP versions, and you can run this project via CD project name and then PHP artisan serves, and starting a Laravel development server in a 8,000 port, and boom, your Laravel app is live, and you can use the different configurations. The benefit of the herd is you don't have to manually add the PHP folders in a jam configurations, and um, whatever Apache or you use for the XAMPP or something else. So, and without XAMPP, you can use MySQL separately by using the Table Plus, MySQL Workbench, DB Engine, and the Aragon database as well. So many developers use the MySQL Workbench and DB Engines because it's lightweight and fast, and Table Plus as well. So after all, Laravel Herd is honestly a game changer. No more messy setups, no more PHP conflicts, no more configurations headaches. And so, if this will help you, don't forget to like, hit subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. So, do you want a separate video for the composer or a multiple PHP setup separately for the MySQL or MySQL with the Herd? And so, see you in the next one. Till then, keep learning, stay connected.